Let's talk about one of the most important things you must do to get your business to work. You've got to install written systems, what I call organizational systems in a written format. I like to think of it as a do manual, how we do business. Without written systems, you're at the mercy of your employees to decide how you do business. I want to have it done my way or the highway. The first thing we have to do is identify what systems you need to install that'll help your business make the most money and become the most organized. So we want to identify those items. So we create a fix-it list. I like to use a flip chart and identify all the things that have gone wrong over the last couple weeks. Then we pick the ones that cost us the most money and are easiest to fix. The second thing we do is we get a team together that should work on those systems. So if you have a field problem that needs to get fixed, let's get some field workers together and have them come up with a way or a solution and a standard checklist. For example, before you pour a concrete slab, what are the 5 things you need to make sure? You know, the thickness, the rebar, the concrete forms, et cetera, et cetera. We want to have a checklist in place that we always follow. Once we decide what systems we want to install and get a team together, we draft the standards, we then formalize it and try it, have the team try it, and then of course we want to implement it and train it in our business. So when we have our all-field meeting with all of our crews, we get the team together and have them present this written system so everybody gets to see how it's done and everybody gets on the same page. Everybody's got a do manual, which you're going to hand them the written system to implement and use. And then of course we want to monitor it and track and follow up on it and make sure all the people in your company and all the crews and whoever's involved in this system is using the system. So we need to follow up in a tracking system. And then of course, eventually we need to say, is it working? So we need an opportunity to analyze what's working and what's not. So I guarantee if you implement a fix-it list and with the idea that you're going to create a do manual, how you do business, I guarantee your company will get systemized and organized. And so as we move forward throughout the rest of the class, let's talk about what systems you need to install that will help your company grow to the next level so you don't have to micromanage and be at every place, every day, making all the decisions for all of your people. That's the beauty of systems. So as you think about this course and other courses available at our hardhatbizschool.com, we have a complete system on Get Your Business to Work, which this is a small piece of. We also have a program on construction and field project management systems that work. Hopefully one of those will help your business grow to the next level. Check us out at hardhatbizschool.com. Thank you.